Roble was founded in 1901 and has specialized in the production of track maintenance machinery. The company is based in Munich, Germany, where the sales office, machine depot, spare part store, exhibition and demonstration room are also located. The machines are produced in the Freilassing factory. Modern manufacturing methods guarantee the high quality of our products. Roble, great on track. Robling is the word commonly used for the bolt tightening work on the track. The 30.82 model is the most well-known power wrench worldwide, made by Roble. It has both a hydraulic turning moment limitation and hydraulic servo operation. The desired torsional moment is set at the excess pressure valve and supervised on the torque display. The operator does not need to wear ear protection due to the environment-friendly, extremely low-noise engine. Automatic lubricating protects the screws and nuts from corrosion and eases the opening of fastenings that have stuck tight. With the help of this transverse bogie, for example, it becomes easy to reach bolts in switches and crossings. With a simple movement, the machine can be displaced laterally across the entire width. The 30.82 HY power wrench was designed for operation on high-speed lines. The narrow torque tolerance is adhered to easily. The fully hydraulic precision power wrench 30.71 offers the greatest accuracy with the lowest possible machine weight. Fast turning is achieved with one oil motor. At a certain pressure, the second motor is switched on automatically and the bolt is fixed in its final position. The set torque is adhered to with a maximum deviation of 3%. The 30.74 is a self-propelled hydraulic 4-spindle power wrench for simultaneous tightening or loosening of 4 sleeper bolts or hook bolt nuts. The work cabin offers good protection. An excellent view onto the working area is guaranteed. In automatic mode, the entire working cycle runs fully automatically. This also includes the mechanized assembly of elastic clip fastenings, permitting fast execution of this otherwise very time-consuming job. To change the direction of work, the hydraulic lifting ram can be used to turn the machine quickly and easily. The portable impact wrench 30.09 is the ideal machine for all urgent tightening work on track. The machine is simple to operate in any position without the operator being subjected to any torque action. Horizontal wrench work can also be carried out. Single bolts can be tightened using the 36.01 hand wrench. The nuts of the temporary fish plate bolts, for example, or track bolts can be tightened by hand efficiently using the 35.01 fish plate bolt wrench. The combined power wrench and drill 30.83 is extremely versatile in operation. It is suitable for all bolt loosening and tightening work on the track, as well as removing broken sleeper bolts, tightening and loosening screw dowels in concrete sleepers, drilling out dowels, screwing dowels into wooden sleepers. The parallelogram frame ensures continuous vertical guidance of the spindle. Fish plate holes are drilled even on the free end of the rail and in points and crossings using the rail drilling machine 10.35. Using the fish plate seat template, the machine can be clamped automatically at the correct height. A multi-hole drilling template is used for insulating joints. Single holes are drilled in wooden sleepers using the portable sleeper drilling machine 11.12. A removable cover protects the drill during transport. The high-performance sleeper drilling machine 11.64 is available for more extensive drilling work. A drill housing ensures accurate drilling. This machine can also execute slanted borings. Feed and retraction of the drill is performed automatically. High-resistance rails are cut quickly and accurately using the Roble Rail Cutter 13.80. The weight of the motor cutter is compensated by a special mounting of the equipment on the quick clamp device. Operation can be executed without great physical effort. Cutter discs in 300 or 350 millimeter diameter can be used. When the disc is worn, the motor cutter can be swung round to the other side without remounting, and the rail is cut through completely. The rail cutter TS1 can also be supplied. The machine is guided by a special suspension device. If the cutter disc is worn, the motor generator is remounted in this suspension. Welded joints are ground perfectly using the rail grinding machine 13.44, ensuring a good view onto the railhead being ground. By tilting the machine, side burrs can also be ground off. The Railhead contour grinder 13.47 achieves optimum-shaped grinding of the railhead under ergonomic conditions. The mechanical rotating device for the grinding frame, controlled from the handle, enables the entire rail contour to be ground without having to turn the machine around. The main weight of the machine is not tilted when grinding the railhead. This ensures a comfortable upright work position for the operator. As the motor is not tilted, the machine is fitted with an environmentally friendly 4-stroke motor. Alternatively, an electrical motor may be used. Feed of the grinding stone is regulated electrically from the handle by push button. The low design height of the grinding unit enables grinding to be performed in the switchblade area. The switch grinding and deburring machine 13.61 can remove burrs and overlaps on switch elements such as switchblades, frogs, and check rails. The sliding carriage design permits the grinding head to be slewed up to 32 degrees in either direction. The design guarantees an ergonomic work position. Welding beads on the running surface and sides of the railhead are sheared off by the hydraulic welding bead shearing device 14.10 using opposing cutters. The hydraulic rail bending press 22.38 is suitable for rails, formed steel, and steel rods. It is available in steel and in aluminum design. It is operated by a slewing handle. Deformed switchblades are straightened using the hydraulic switchblade lining device 22.28. With the help of various accessories, the switchblade can be aligned as required. The radius can be reduced by using pressure pieces and enlarged by using pressure rods. The Rail Mover 24.11 is used for pulling rails together. Rails up to 120 meters long can be pulled together easily by only one man. The hydraulic rail pulling and pressing device 24.12 is also suitable for rails without fishplate holes. It is operated either by a hand pump or a hydraulic power unit. Using this device, gaps up to 400 millimeters maximum can be opened or closed in one operation. The hydraulic rail pulling device 24.70 is used to neutralize rails before aluminothermic welding. Either a hand pump or a hydraulic power unit ensures the required hydraulic pressure. The unit is versatile in operation as it does not foul the standard loading gauge in assembled condition. The rail lifting device 40.05 can be used on K-type and on W-type permanent way. The rail mover 43.02 is equipped here with carrying tongs 42.10. The tongs are designed for a maximum weight of 1.5 tons. If one unit is applied every 10 meters, rails of any length can be lifted and displaced laterally. The rail mover can be taken away quickly. Roble offers various types of equipment for lifting the track. This obstructionless track jack 47.14 can lift the track continuously to the required height by applying a socket wrench. When necessary, the jack can be lowered very quickly. The obstructionless hydraulic track jack 47.17 is actuated by a removable handle. The track jack can be lowered quickly. Ratchet track jacks, such as model 46.45 with various loads and lifting heights, complete our range in this sector. Using the mobile rail threader 43.32, the laid-out new rails are spread out onto the new sleepers. The rail threader is fitted with swiveling undercarriages with double-flanged wheels so that the machine adapts automatically to the changing gauge of the spread-out rails. The machine has a special soundproofed silent pack engine with low emission. The machine now places the new rails onto the base plates on the sleepers. The work output is over 1,000 meters per hour. The hydraulic track jack with slewing device HGR 47.230 is used as a self-propelled hydraulically operated winch. The tongs grip the rails and the laterally displaceable cylinders lift the track skeleton. The cross level can be checked on the spirit level. The slewing width is 230 millimeters maximum. This machine is also equipped with a quieter engine with lower emission values. The transport trolley 51.12 is a light but very sturdy trolley with a fixed platform made of steel. The trolley is fully insulated and runs on ball bearing mounted polyamide wheels. Individual sleepers are tamped quickly and effectively using the electric vibration tamping unit 62.04. The jaw vise 68.05 is used as an emergency fishplate binding. Only one vise has to be applied to the rail joint. With safety flap, the vise complies with the regulations for traveling over the connection at up to 160 kilometers per hour. The rail warming device 66.01 is used to create the required temperature of the rails to achieve their longitudinal compensation. This is required occasionally to carry out a variety of work on the rails. The pole of the site illuminating unit 73.06 is raised to the required height by a hand-operated air pump. The floodlights are fitted with halogen lamps. The unit can be set up and dismantled quickly. From our wide range of measuring equipment, we show you here the track gauge and super elevation measuring device 83.37. Both track gauge and super elevation can be read immediately from the scale. The switch gauge meter 83.07 shows 4 measuring values, namely gauge, check rail gauge, flangeway, and flang groove. Super elevation can also be measured. The rail measuring wheel 85.05 is suited for fast and accurate measurement of the length of rails. Roble also supplies rail loading trains, panel and sleeper laying units, permanent way motor vehicles, tunnel, bridge, and catenary inspection vehicles. Roble, great on track.